Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the smooth zoom effects and add the perfect reverse transitions to make your video look hot. So what you need to do in here is just add a photo into Capcut like this and split it. And now click on AI video options. Now you can just describe or add this prompt like I do in here. So this is the prompt. You can copy this. The video starts with a football player standing off the stadium. The camera slowly zoom out, rising higher and higher above the building and the city, and it continues zooming out, flying through the clouds and the atmosphere until it reaches the space. Now the Earth is fully visible from far away around planets spinning slowly in the dark universe. Okay, you can see, and here you can uh, adjust the size. I'm going to go with 3 by 4 and adjust the durations to 10 seconds. Tap on generate, click on allow, and just wait until the AI video is finished generating. So the AI video will be done in seconds. So let's review the results first. Okay, now what you do is just click on the video and find the reverse options. This one, click on reverse and wait until the reversing process is finished. Okay, reverse, and this is the zoom earth run on CapCut. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.